7 Ways to figure out what to sell on Amazon. With over 300 million active customers on Amazon, it's no wonder you want to sell a product on the internet's most visited e-commerce website. Fortunately, choosing what to sell on Amazon, and how to sell it, isn't as hard as you might think. In fact, most of your research can be done for free on the site itself. To ensure you choose a low-risk, high-return product to sell on Amazon, we've created this guide. Keep reading to learn about top-selling items, what you should sell, and how to conduct research to ensure whatever you're selling is a safe bet on the e-commerce giant. 1. Home and kitchen. Given the wide range of products that fall within home and kitchen, appliances, furniture, decor, and more, it's no wonder that 32% of sellers on Amazon opt to sell in this category. Plus, it's a pretty booming industry with global retail sales of home and household appliances amounting to $448 billion in 2021. It's important to note that because home and kitchen is so popular, it may be more difficult for new sellers to find success in this category. So, if you're considering breaking into this market, make sure you have a product that is high quality and serves a specific niche. 2. Clothing, shoes and jewelry. It should be no surprise that clothing, shoes, and jewelry is one of Amazon's top product categories. After all, the e-commerce platform holds a nearly 35% share of all apparel sold online, making it one of the best-selling online fashion retailers. Specifically, Amazon shoppers prefer casual clothing over luxury apparel, with their top brands being Hanes and Amazon Essentials. It's important to note that this category can get a bit oversaturated, so it's critical you ensure you're able to offer something unique. People don't turn to Amazon for expensive brand items, instead, they look for discounts. So, if you're thinking of selling clothes, shoes, and jewelry, make sure your product is high quality and low price. 3. Electronics. From computers and TVs to surveillance systems and wearable technology, consumers are always looking for the latest in tech, especially when they are online shopping. In fact, almost half of all computer and electronics sales occur online. Amazon consistently displays impressive prices on some of the world's most popular electronics, so it makes sense that consumers often buy from the platform. This could be a promising category to consider as a third-party seller if you're able to buy electronics in bulk. 4. Beauty and personal care. Though the beauty and personal care industry experienced a 15% decrease in global sales in 2020, don't underestimate its significance and resilience. The market bounced back with a revenue increase of nearly $3 billion in 2021 and is expected to continue to grow. The beauty and personal care category includes everything from makeup and skincare to fragrances and hair products. Even though there is quite a bit of competition in this market with 23% of third-party sellers listing items, those who specialize in creating handmade cosmetics may really excel in this category. Of course, like anything, the more popular the product category, the more intense the competition. It's important you find your niche to ensure you're not competing with the 300,000 other search results for white t-shirt. You'll want to do your research on shipping costs and Amazon seller fees, so you know how much you'll need to spend depending on your item. This information can help you narrow your decision. For instance, a 2 to 3 pound item will be lightweight and easy to ship, which can help lower your shipping fees. Along with weight, you'll want to consider products that aren't easily breakable when you're transporting them. Additionally, most products on Amazon vary between $10 and $50, so you'll want to choose items you can sell for relatively cheap while still making a profit. To manually research popular products on Amazon, you'll want to start with Amazon's best-selling items in a certain category. From there, you'll start exploring that category's subcategories and narrow down on a niche. When you check out Amazon's best sellers list, you might also look at the Customers Also Bought section to get ideas for similar products. Once you make a list of items, check Google Keyword Planner to see whether those products have search volume, which indicates a level of demand. Alternatively, you could use SellerApp's product intelligence tool specifically for Amazon. SellerApp offers a 7-day free trial, which allows you to begin investigating popular products on Amazon via keywords to further narrow your list. 5. Use a Chrome extension to research products in a niche market. There are 2 popular Chrome extensions to help you conduct keyword research on Amazon: Jungle Scout and Unicorn Smasher. Jungle Scout shows you monthly sales volumes on products and displays products with low competition. Undoubtedly, Jungle Scout's analytics can help you quickly and efficiently narrow down on a product or an industry in which you could excel. However, Jungle Scout is relatively pricey, particularly if you're just starting out. Unicorn Smasher is Jungle Scout's free alternative. While the data isn't as accurate as Jungle Scout, and it lacks some of Jungle Scout's sophisticated features, it's nonetheless a helpful free option to gather estimated monthly sales and estimated monthly sales revenue for Amazon products. 6. Find a gap in the market. You can find gaps by using one of the previously mentioned Chrome extensions to research products with high monthly sales volume and low competition. However, you might also come across a gap on Amazon through a simple organic search. For instance, when I search perfume, there are over 30,000 results, but when I search natural vegan amber perfume, there are only 247. This is a simplified example, but sometimes you need to narrow down your product search to find a place to make an impact on Amazon. Plenty of people are already selling perfume, but there might be a certain scent, style, or feature that is missing on the site. Alternatively, you can find a gap in the market by reading customer reviews in your product market niche. Even if there are plenty of products similar to yours already, you might find that customers are unsatisfied with the current brands and want something you can provide. 7. Find products that don't have too much competition. If you're trying to sell a product that currently has 100,000 search results, it's likely going to be very difficult to stand out against the competition and achieve the sales you want. Fortunately, it's relatively easy to find a niche within a larger market that has less competition, which ensures your product is more easily found by searchers. Best of all, those searchers are likely more willing to buy your product, since they needed to search for a more specific keyword. The search term, cookbooks, has over 70,000 results. Undoubtedly, you can obtain an impressive profit from selling products on Amazon, but it's critical you're able to offer unique, budget-friendly products with minimal competition to truly succeed on the site. Oversaturation on the platform proves it's more difficult than ever to stand out, so it's not smart to sell on Amazon for the sake of selling on Amazon. Instead, you want to ensure you're truly able to offer something of value. If you have a product in mind, follow the tips above to refine your strategy and find a niche segment within a larger demographic. If you don't have a product in mind, start with the basics. What are the most searched keywords on Amazon, and which products are most successful? Once you have a list based on keyword research, consider similar products the user might find more compelling or useful than the ones currently listed on Amazon. Editor's note: this post was originally published in March 2019 and has been updated for comprehensiveness. Alternatively, the search term, cookbooks for instant pot cooking, has only 3,000 results. Not only is your product more likely to become a bestseller in this category, but it's a more targeted keyword. If someone searches cookbooks, they could mean anything from kids' cookbooks to holiday cookbooks. If someone searches cookbooks for instant pot cooking, however, they're more likely to be satisfied with your product. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.